Alright, so Military Guna TV here again. Mario Dakers with you always. Before I go any further, hit the like button. As I said before, I want to beat this YouTube algorithm, and it will do me great honors if you hit the like button. Also, it will do this channel a massive hit if you hit the like button, because it will send my video across so more various platforms. So it will help me a lot. It will really help me a lot if you guys hit the like button. So Arsenal training session, Friday morning training session, early training session, and my key points that I took from just the training video. Finally, Willian finally scored. Could you imagine? Willian finally scores a goal for Arsenal Football Club. And to be fair, it took his time. He barely. You guys should really watch the video. You guys should really watch the video and tell me what you think, because he was so precise in trying to put that ball in the goal. He was so precise, and it took his slow time. It took so slow just to put the ball in the back of net, because if he had missed that, I can tell you, I would want that training video, and you guys will be definitely cursing him out as well. Very much. I can't believe it. I was laughing when I saw it. I'm like, you naughty. You know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. It was so funny when I see Willian taking his baby little steps just to ensure that the goal is scored. Because other players, Odegaard, Aubameyang, and Nketiah, Lacazette, they were hitting the goal from way out, and he barely crawled up onto the goal just to ensure that the ball. So I'm putting it that he's trying to build his confidence. So I have no problem with that. But Aubameyang looked really sharp. Odegaard, really short. As I said before in my previous video, great touches, small touches, intricate touches. Saka, looking sharp as well as ever. David Luiz, beautiful long passes as per normal. Pablo Mari looking like a beast, even though he was done for pace by Balogun a few times. About 2 times he was done for pace by Balogun. But the team is looking sharp. They look like they want something from this one. Yes, Nicolas Pepe look really sharp as well. Top bins, beautiful goal score from Nicolas Pepe in training session. Top bins, top corner. Matt Ryan look sharp in goal. So far we look ready for this game. I hope you guys are ready, because I think Arsenal are going to bring something to the table in this game, because this is a crucial game. Guess what? This is Military Guna, small synopsis of the training session. And guess what? I am out.